We're at the ATW Offroad booth at SEMA 2025, showcasing all their off-road style ATW off-road in the machine with the black, also in the matte black, concave style off-road, mesh style, gloss black, bronze, and the 15. These guys make 15, 16, and 17-inch size, and then the military style on gunmetal ATW with the simulated style B-lock, also multi-spoke if you guys like with the matte black B-lock, and then also in a couple different colors, the blue, the matte black, and then this bronze. This is the Comanche. That is like most popular military style wheel that they sell, and then black with the bronze, also full matte black and green, and then that's shown on this 4Runner 17.9 positive 12 with what we sell, the Cosmo tire, the mud kicker, and the 35, 12.5, 17 on this 4Runner. This is a great tire for any of you off-road enthusiasts. So going into ATX, they paired them up with the wheel, the green and the black, goes well with this 4Runner. And if you're an SUV guy, check out ATX with this gloss black it's like a 6-spoke style split, either 5 or 6 lug. They come in the silver finish or gloss black. This is the 6-lug version. And then they come in the red, also off-road. They build some stuff in the gloss black with the milled, gloss black with the red, machine in black, bronze, or full matte black. Then going into the SUV style and Encore wheels. So they come with gloss black machine face black, or full gloss black wheel for your SUV, Tahoe, Yukon, and then matte black as well in the 6x139. This style goes well with any of your off-road, truck, or SUV lineup. If you guys are interested in any of the ATX Encore wheels, feel free to give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Ali at Tires Wheels Direct.